Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech enthusiasts, it's becoming a game changer for personal finance. From budgeting smarter to finding discounts and optimizing your investments, AI tools are here to help you save money like never before. Let's explore how you can use AI to unlock these money-saving opportunities. 1. AI-powered budgeting tools. 1. How it helps. AI budgeting apps analyze your income and spending patterns to help you save more efficiently. 2. Examples. Mint tracks spending and offers personalized financial insights. YNAB, You Need a Budget, uses AI to predict spending trends and set realistic savings goals. 3. Tip, set up automatic notifications to track progress and stay on budget. 2. Price comparison and cashback apps. 1. How it helps. AI-powered tools scan for the best deals and reward you with cashback on purchases. 2. Examples. Honey automatically applies coupon codes at checkout. Rakuten offers cashback on online shopping and finds discounts. 3. Tip, use these tools for big purchases or recurring expenses to maximize savings. 3. Automated savings apps. 1. How it helps. AI calculates how much you can save without impacting your lifestyle and moves the money automatically. 2. Examples. Digit transfers small amounts to savings based on your spending habits. Capital saves money based on rules you set, like rounding up purchases. 3. Tip, treat these savings apps as invisible savings accounts to build your rainy day fund. 4. Investment optimization. 1. How it helps. Robo-advisors use AI to manage your investments, optimize portfolios, and minimize fees. 2. Examples. Betterment and Wealthfront, AI-based platforms that balance risk and reward for your investments. Acorns, invest spare change automatically. 3. Tip, use robo-advisors for long-term goals like retirement or college funds. 5. AI for energy and utility savings. 1. How it helps. AI tracks your energy consumption and suggests ways to cut costs. 2. Examples. Nest Thermostat adjusts heating and cooling based on your behavior to save energy. Arcadia connects you to renewable energy sources and lowers utility bills. 3. Tip, monitor monthly reports to see how small changes reduce costs. 6. Smart shopping assistants. 1. How it helps. AI assistants track price drops and notify you when it's the best time to buy. 2. Examples. Google Shopping finds price trends and compares items across retailers. Camel tracks Amazon prices and alerts you of deals. 3. Tip, use these tools for seasonal shopping or expensive items like electronics. 7. AI for travel savings. 1. How it helps. AI predicts price fluctuations and helps you book at the right time. 2. Examples. Hopper tracks airfare and hotel prices, recommending the best booking windows. Skyscanner uses AI to compare flight options and find cheap tickets. 3. Tip, book trips during off-peak seasons and use fare alerts for last-minute deals. Conclusion. AI is revolutionizing personal finance, offering tools that help you budget smarter, shop better, and save effortlessly. By embracing these technologies, you can transform your financial habits and make your money work harder for you. What's your favorite AI-powered money-saving tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on leveraging technology for smarter living.